Hello, my name is Jonathan. I'm a project architect at WorkCentive. Today I'm doing common import errors and how to troubleshoot it. All right. So in this, I'll go through two examples of failed errors. And I've set up this example with these three tables. We have a complan ID, component, and plan rate table. And in this plan rate table, you have three columns: the complan, component, and the effective start date, which will be relevant for managing duplicate entries. So the first example we're going to go through is we're going to import a set of data that is going to give us an error for duplication. So the primary keys need to be unique for imports to work successfully. So in this case, we find that more than one record has matching identical records in the primary key. So if we click Next Auto Match, we will see an error message that will show up in our activity log. So I'm going to go to the activity log that I've already opened, and opening up and expand, I see that I have duplicate entries that show the first two are match, duplicating, and the first two are duplicating. All right, so let's see if we can fix this by changing the effective start date in this example. Let's see what happens. So I have a second example where we just changed the effective start date. Now, this will also fail because effective data tables have a condition of preventing overlapping dates and times. So these two, even though the effective date is different, the dates overlap. So if I was to click Next, Auto Match Start, and I go back to my activity log, I'll see that I get an error for effective date overlaps, and it gives me these examples. So easiest way to kind of verify if there's more records in here is we go into the error log. This will help us identify if there's more issues to look at. You can click on the import that you ran, last one that you're familiar with, click View Details, and it'll give you a complete breakdown as to which records, based on the primary key, were the cause of it. Okay, the key combinations. So let's change the effective end date, load a file with a different effective end date, and see how that works out. So click Next, and that should resolve the issue. So now that we know that it was a duplication because all components' effective start dates were a match, and the other one was an overlap, we fixed those issues, and we're going to automatically make the update. So let's see how this one works out. Once the fix happened, we're going to go into our activity log as well. And as we can see, it worked successfully, right? So I hope you found this valuable. Until next time, bye.